Lesson 5. Reading a button press. In this lesson, we'll be reading one of the most common and simple inputs. A push button. We will use it to cycle through different colors on the RGB. For the sake of time, in this video we only introduce the key blocks needed for this lesson. If you want to know the basic blocks, please check the video tutorial of our previous course or our website link. Thank you. Opened our tutorials, find the Starter Learning Kit lesson. We are Learn Lesson 5. Reading a potentiometer. Let's code blocks for this experiment. At first, we are using the Set Pin to Emit event. Just like the button event in RGB experiment, there are events that you can read. But first, you have to set a pin to emit an event. You use the Set Pin to Emit event block to create a type of event for a specific pin to emit or send out when it reaches that state. As an example, we set P16 to emit an edge event, which means that it changed from high to low or low to high. Second, we are using else block. Inside of the forever block is a complex if block, which is an if else tree. To build this more complex if statement, add a standard if or else block into your program. Then click on the plus in the upper left-hand corner of the block. This will open a tiny interface with more blocks in it. You can drag more else if blocks into the structure here to build your decision tree. Third, we are using an event block. Under the advanced blocks you can find the control blocks. These are the blocks that are the most complicated to use, but are the most powerful. The on event block accepts an event type to watch for and a pin that event should happen on. When that specific event is emitted from that pin, it will trigger whatever code is inside of it. Fourth, download this example by clicking the download button in the upper right hand corner of the code window. After download the program to microbit. When you press the button, the RGB will turn on to a color. When you press it again, the color will change and another press will change the color once again. Press it one more time, and it will turn off. Every time you press the button, it increments a variable, and then we check against it to set the color. If the variable goes over the value of 2, we reset it to 0, which is off.